Hello students, good morning everyone. Today let us see exercise 8.3 question number 5. The question is, if A vector, B vector, C vector are three vectors, then A vector plus 2B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 and the modulus of A vector is equal to 3, modulus of B vector is equal to 4, modulus of C vector is equal to 7, then find the angle between A vector and B vector. Now you have to take what the condition is given. So what is given? A vector plus 2B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector. Now we want to find the angle between A and B. So you keep this A and B this side, bring this C vector that side, right hand side. So it becomes A vector plus 2B vector is equal to minus C vector. Then squaring on both sides. Take squaring on both sides. So it becomes A vector plus 2B vector the whole square is equal to minus C vector the whole square. Now substitute the identity A plus B the whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A square எழுதும்போது vector எழுதும்போது modulus of A vector the whole square plus 2 square is 4. 4 modulus of B vector the whole square plus 2AB. 2 2s are 4. AB that is A dot B. A vector dot B vector which is equal to, now minus C into minus C is plus, so it becomes modulus of C vector the whole square. Now the modulus of A vector, B vector, C vector values are given here. So it is better to substitute the values. So modulus of A vector is 3. If I substitute here, it becomes 3 square. Modulus of B is 4. If I substitute here, plus 4 into 4 square plus 4A dot B. Take like this, A dot B is equal to C vector. Modulus of C vector is 7. It is 7 square. Now 3 square is 9 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 4 64 plus 4 into A vector dot B vector is equal to 7 7s are 49. Now 4 into A vector dot B vector is equal to 49 minus 64 plus 9 is 73. If I bring this side, it is minus 73. So, this subtract பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 4 into mod A vector dot B vector is equal to 3. 13 minus 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Here it is minus, so minus. So, therefore, A dot B is equal to minus 24 by 4. Is equal to minus 6. Now we got A dot B is equal to minus 6. Now what is the angle between A and B? Now we want to find the angle between A vector and B vector is theta is equal to cos inverse A vector dot B vector divided by modulus of A vector into modulus of B vector. So which is equal to cos inverse of A dot B is equal to minus 6 divided by modulus of A vector is 3 into modulus of B vector is 4. So this is 1 time, 2 time, 1 time, 2 time. So theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So, if cos value, 1 by 2. If I bring this cos theta this side, it becomes cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. I can write cos theta is equal to cos, 1 by 2 இருக்கும்னா 60 degree இருக்கும்போது cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 60 degree na pi by 3 ன்னு எழுதிக்கலாம் ரேடியன்ல. ஆனா இங்க மைனஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால I can take pi minus pi by 3 அப்படின்னு எடுக்கலாம். அப்போ cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. இதை சால்வ் பண்ணா. Therefore, theta is equal to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 na it is pi by 3. Cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2 na theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. So straight away you can write the answer. Now question number 6. Now show that the vectors A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap. B vector is equal to 6i vector cap 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. C vector is equal to 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap are mutually orthogonal. What do you mean by orthogonal? Orthogonal means perpendicular. So perpendicular na enna condition proof பண்ணனும். Dot product is equal to 0. It is given mutually orthogonal. So if you take A and B, you want to prove A and B are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, A dot B equal to 0. If you take B and C, then you want to prove B dot C equal to 0. Therefore, we can say B vector is perpendicular to C vector. Same way, A dot C equal to 0 means A is perpendicular to C. That's all we want to prove. Only thing we want to prove that dot product is equal to 0. So first one, A dot B is equal to, what is A? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap dot 6i cap plus 2j cap plus minus 3k cap. So dot product எப்படி find out பண்றது? Only multiply the coefficients. 2 into 6 12, 3 into 2 6 plus 6 plus 6 minus 3 multiply பண்ணா minus 18. So which is equal to 12 plus 6 18, 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So what do you get the answer? A dot B is equal to 0, which implies A vector is perpendicular to B vector. So one condition proved. Then if I take B and C, take B vector dot C vector is equal to, so what is B vector? 6i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap dot, what is C vector? 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap. So which is equal to 6 3s are 18. 2 into minus 6 is minus 12. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Now here I am getting 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So the answer is B vector dot C vector is equal to 0, which implies B vector is perpendicular to C vector. This is second condition. Then third condition. Then take C dot A. A dot B is 0, B dot C is 0. Now C dot A. So what is C vector? 3i cap minus 6j cap plus 2k cap dot A vector is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap, which is equal to 3 2s are 6, minus 6 into 3 is minus 18, 2 6 are 12 plus 12. Now 12 plus 6 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. So I can say C vector dot A vector is equal to 0, which implies C vector is perpendicular to A vector. So what we got? A vector is perpendicular to B vector, B vector is perpendicular to C vector, C vector is perpendicular to A vector. So therefore A dot B is equal to B dot C is equal to C dot A is equal to 0. So which implies A vector is perpendicular to B vector, B vector is perpendicular to C vector, C vector is perpendicular to A vector. Therefore, these three vectors are mutually orthogonal. Therefore, they are mutually orthogonal. Orthogonal means perpendicular. ரெண்டு வெக்டார் perpendicular proof பண்ணனும்னா dot product 0 வரணும். Okay, is it clear? Now question number 7. Now question number 7. Show that the vectors I cap minus 2j cap minus 6k cap 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap minus I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap form a right angled triangle. So right angle triangle na Pythagoras theorem use பண்ணிக்கலாம். Here you need not take this as OA vector, OB vector, OC vector எடுத்து and then AB, BC நம்ம அந்த 8.2ல செஞ்ச மாதிரி தேவையில்லை. Because it is given vectors. Straight away you can take A vector is equal to OA எடுத்து அப்புறம் find out பண்ண தேவையில்லை. Straight A vector எடுத்துக்கலாம். So it is minus A cap minus 2j cap minus 6k cap. இப்போ Pythagoras theorem use பண்ணனும். So take modulus of A vector is equal to modulus எப்படி find out பண்ணனும்? Square root of minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square plus minus 6 the whole square. The coefficients எல்லாம் எடுத்து square பண்ணி add பண்ணிக்கணும். So modulus of A vector is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 36. So it is root 41. And then take B vector. B vector is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. Find the modulus of B vector is equal to square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Minus 1 போட்டாலும் square எடுக்கும்போது plus ஆயிரும். So you can write like this. So 4 plus 1 is 6. So root 6. Then take C vector is equal to minus I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. So modulus of C vector is equal to square root of 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 25 is 35. So modulus of C vector is equal to root 25. Now by Pythagoras theorem, இதுவே நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் 25 plus 10 is 35. 35 plus 6 add பண்ணா 41 வருது. So we can use by Pythagoras theorem. Here you didn't do that triangle, nothing else. So which is the biggest number you take in the left hand side? That is modulus of A vector the whole square is equal to modulus of B vector the whole square plus modulus of C vector the whole square. So modulus of A vector is root 41 the whole square is equal to modulus of B vector is root 6 the whole square plus root 35 the whole square. Now take square root into square root get cancelled. So it is 41 is equal to 6 plus 35. So 41 is equal to 41. Therefore A vector, B vector, C vector form a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So hence proved. Vectors nu கொடுத்தா ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா கொடுத்திருக்கிறத A vector, B vector, C vector னு எடுத்து மாடுலஸ் மட்டும் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம். பாயிண்ட்ஸ் னு கொடுத்தாதான் பொசிஷன் வெக்டர் எடுத்து செய்யணும். Okay, then question number 8. Now question number 8. If modulus of A vector is equal to 5, modulus of B vector is equal to 6, modulus of C vector is equal to 7, and A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0, then find A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. First take what it is given. A vector plus C vector, B vector plus C vector is equal to 0 vector. Squaring on both sides. So A vector plus B vector plus C vector the whole square equal to 0 vector the whole square, that is 0. Now A plus B plus C the whole square formula. So modulus of A vector the whole square plus modulus of B vector the whole square plus modulus of C vector the whole square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So straight away I can take 2 common. A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 0. Now we want to find the value of this only. So for these modulus and all we got the value. So it is given. What is modulus of A? It is 5. So 5 square plus modulus of B is 6. 6 square plus modulus of C is 7. 7 square plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to 0. So 25 plus 36 plus 49 plus 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A equal to 0. Now add these three. So therefore 2 into A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to 9, 15, 20. Balance 2, 6, 9, 11. 110. So add பண்ணும்போது பிளஸ்ல இருக்கு, அந்த சைட் போகும்போது மைனஸ். Now bring this to this side. So A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 110 by 2. Cancel பண்ணிக்கோங்க, 55 is equal to minus 55. So right hand side, don't forget to left hand side and the right hand side. This is the answer. Very simple. And question number 9. Now question number 9. Show that the points 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 2 are collinear. Here it is given, we want to prove that the points are collinear, and also it is given points, not the vectors. So therefore we want to take it as a position vector. Therefore OA vector is equal to 2 minus 1 3 na I j k substitute பண்ணிக்கோங்க, 2 I cap minus j cap plus 3 cap, and OB vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap, and OC vector is equal to 3 I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Now we want to say that the points are collinear. So therefore we want, இப்போ ஒரு triangle form ஆகுதான்னு check பண்ணணும். Triangle form ஆகலன்னா they are collinear ன்னு சொல்லலாம். And to find the side of the triangle we want AB, BC, CA வேணும். So AB vector எப்படி find out பண்ணலாம்? Since they are position vectors, AB vector OB vector minus OA vector ன்னு எழுதலாம். OB vector minus OA vector. So therefore AB vector is equal to OB vector, அப்படியே நான் ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா போடுவா, 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap minus OA vector is 2 I cap minus j cap plus 3 k cap. See if I subtract this, 4 minus 2, 2. 2 I cap, 3 minus 1, minus of minus plus 3 plus 1, 4. So plus 4 j cap plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 k cap. So AB vector is equal to this one. Now find BC vector. So B vector is 4 I cap plus 3 j cap plus k cap. So BC vector, to find BC vector, first I want to write the formula OC vector minus OB vector. Now write OC vector is 3 vector, 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap minus OB vector is 4i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. So which is equal to 3 minus 4 is minus I cap plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 j cap plus 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 1 plus k cap. So BC vector is equal to, if I take AB vector, இந்த AB vector இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதை முதல்ல எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 2k cap. இதுல minus 2 காமனா எடுத்தா minus 2 காமனா எடுத்தா 2 divide by 2 is 1. So minus minus plus, இங்க plus வரணும்னா இங்க minus எடுக்கணும். So minus I cap. இங்க plus வரணும்னா minus எடுக்கணும். 2 2s are 4. 2j cap. 2 divide by 2 is 1. Minus வரணும்னா plus எடுக்கணும். So இதுல இருந்து minus 2 காமனா எடுத்தா எனக்கு இப்படி கிடைக்குது. But here minus I cap minus 2j cap plus k capங்கிறது BC வெக்டாரா இருக்கு. அப்ப AB vector is equal to minus 2 into BC vector அப்படின்னு எடுக்கணும். So which implies AB vector is equal to some scalar of BC vector. அப்படின்னா என்ன சொல்லிருக்கோம்? These two are parallel, therefore they are collinear அப்படின்னு எடுக்கலாம். And also point B is common, and also B is common அப்படின்னு எழுதிக்கலாம். So thus AB vector is parallel to BC vector and B is common, and B is common point னு எழுதிக்கலாம், அல்லது the point B is common. Therefore the points are collinear. Therefore the given points are collinear. So collinear na enna proof பண்ணனும் அப்படினா, one vector is equal to scalar of another vector nu proof பண்ணா, then we can say that the given points are collinear. Now question number 10, if A vector and B vector are unique vectors and theta is the angle between them, then show that first subdivision sin theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of A vector minus B vector. So right hand side la irundhu left hand side kondu varuvom. Right hand side la A minus B mattum edupom. So first let modulus of A vector minus B vector the whole square is equal to A minus B the whole square formula substitute பண்ணிப்போம். See, A vector and B vector are the unit vectors and theta is the angle between them. So these are all the conditions it is given. So A minus B the whole square formula modulus of A square plus modulus of B the whole square minus 2 into A vector dot B vector. Now which is equal to 1 plus 1 because these are unit vectors. Unit vectors na value is 1 minus 2 into A dot B ku formula mod A mod B cos theta. Theta is the angle between them. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2. A into B is 1 into 1. 2 cos theta. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 cos theta is cos theta. So take 2 as common. Therefore it becomes 1 minus cos theta. Now in trigonometry you have learnt the formula 1 minus cos theta is equal to. So 2 into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 is the formula. 2 sin square theta by 2. Now in left hand side என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் modulus of a vector minus b vector the whole square. So multiply this 4. Then therefore இந்த square cancel பண்ணுங்க modulus of a vector minus b vector is equal to square root of 2 2s are 4 sin square theta by 2. Now இந்த squareல இருந்து இந்த numbers வெளியே எடுத்தோம்னா so modulus of a vector minus b vector is equal to 4 வெளியே எடுத்தா 2 sin square வெளியே வந்தா sin theta by 2. So இந்த 2 இந்த side கொண்டு வந்தா which implies sin theta by 2 is equal to the 2 இந்த side வந்தா 1 by 2 modulus of a vector minus b vector. Hence proven. So the same way if I want to find the second one, it is cos theta by 2 is equal to modulus of a vector plus b vector. Sorry, 1 by 2 into modulus of a vector plus b vector. இங்க என்ன செஞ்சோமோ அதே மாதிரி இங்க செய்ய போறோம். ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு இருக்கிறத ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எடுத்துக்கோங்க. See let modulus of a vector plus b vector the whole square is equal to modulus of a vector the whole square plus modulus of b vector the whole square plus 2 into a into b, that is 2 into a vector dot b vector. இதுக்கு definition substitute பண்ணிக்கணும். These are all unit vectors, therefore 1 plus 1 plus 2 mod a mod b cos theta is the formula. So which is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 a b value is 1 1 into cos theta is cos theta. Take 2 as common factor, it becomes 2 into 1 plus cos theta. இப்போ 1 minus cos theta வுக்கு 2 sin square theta by 2 போட்டேன். இப்போ 1 plus cos theta வுக்கு 2 cos square theta by 2 is the formula. Left hand side a plus b the whole square. Therefore take modulus of a vector plus b vector is equal to square root of 4 cos square theta by 2. So if you take the numbers from square root, so square root of 4 is 2, cos square is cos theta by 2. So it implies cos theta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of a vector plus b vector. So hence proven. And then third subdivision, we want to prove that tan theta by 2 is equal to modulus of a vector minus b vector divided by modulus of a vector plus b vector. Now we can take right hand side. See modulus of a vector minus b vector by modulus of a vector plus b vector is equal to. So இதை வந்து நம்ம தனித்தனியா எழுதலாம். So தனித்தனியா மாடுலஸ் எடுத்து எழுதிக்கலாம். So modulus of a vector minus b vector is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 proof பண்ணிருக்கோம் already. So அதை எடுத்து இங்க எழுதிப்போம். அதே மாதிரி a plus b is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cos theta by 2. So now 2 get cancelled. So sin by cos is tan. Tan theta by 2. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. So which implies tan theta by 2 is equal to modulus of a vector minus b vector divided by modulus of a vector plus b vector. Hence proved. Thank you all.